In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Outlook theme quickly and easily. Whether you prefer a light theme, dark theme, or want to customize your own colors and backgrounds, this guide will walk you through every step. Customizing your Outlook theme can reduce eye strain, match your personal style, or simply give your inbox a fresh new look. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, open your Outlook application and look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a settings gear icon. Click on that gear icon to open your Outlook settings menu. Once the settings menu opens, navigate to the general section. Within general, you'll find an option called appearance. Click on appearance to access your theme settings. Now you'll see several theme options available to you. You can choose light, which gives you a bright, clean interface, or select dark, which provides a darker background that's easier on the eyes, especially in low light conditions. There's also an option to use system settings, which automatically matches your theme to whatever your operating system is using. This is great if you want your Outlook to seamlessly blend with your computer's overall appearance. If you want more customization, you can explore additional options. Select a theme from either the classic or modern choices available in the menu. These give you different color schemes and visual styles to match your preference. For even more control, you can customize specific colors and backgrounds to create a truly personalized Outlook experience. Once you've made your selection and customized your theme exactly how you want it, make sure to click Save at the bottom of the settings panel. Your new theme will be applied immediately, giving your Outlook a fresh new appearance. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Outlook theme and personalized your email experience. It's that simple. If this tutorial helped you customize your Outlook, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more helpful guides.